Okay, what's up? Mga Chismax, no? Mga boss, no? So, let's take a look about the sentiment, no, of the market, no? Whether nowadays, no, at this point in time, it was a bear sentiment, no? Bearish sentiment, bear market, no? So, relax lang, don't panic, no? Pag-usapan natin to. Let's do this. Let's go. Okay, the bear market. So, kalma. Don't panic. Relax. Wag pabugso-bugso, no? Don't decide immediately, no? In response with the bear market, relax. See a movie. No, natural lang ho yan. Siyempre, yung mga bearish sentiments, nag-change ng mood, no? Because of some regulation, influence of the people, changing of the market price. Normal po yan, no? It happens, no? But if it is bear market, all you have to do, it's good to buy for long term, no? Eto na, no, guys. So, on buying, you have to use the dollar cost averaging, no? Always monitor, no? Sorry. Monitor the dollar cost averaging. Use the DCA. This tool is very simple technical analysis to buy and sell, no? When you are into crypto trading. As I have said, guys, I'm not encouraging people to, I'm not encouraging you to go on trading, no? If you are beginners in cryptocurrency, spot trading is good. For me, this is my opinion, okay? I always go for a long term, no? Mga idol ko sila Larry Finks, no? Warren Buffett, mga investor na long term, no? But Warren is not in crypto, no? Basically, Larry Fink, yan, idol ko yan, no? BlackRock, which is the powerful, big influence when it comes to asset management, no? Name it, no? Nandun yan. Magaling na investor po yan, no? So ako ina-idolize ko yan. So, ano gagawin natin? Relax. It's good to buy cryptocurrency, no? In a bear market. So it's time to buy. Lagi po sila sabi, no? Ito cliche na to, cliche na, no? They always said, no, when it comes to investing, do not put all your eggs in one basket, no? So therefore, you need to diversify, no? Ang kagandahan sa cryptocurrency, no, wala kang third party. So always your call. On call ka lagi dito, walang intermediary, walang bangko. So therefore, ikaw masusunod dito, no? It's always your call. So it's up to you to decide. But you have to use the technical analysis, no? In order to use as a tool for investing. Well, of course, lagi mo pag-aaralan dyan yung support and resistance. Support meaning for resistance for selling trend. Support is for buying trend, no? So we need to review the trend on the chart, no? The price market. So what is the price market stability? Always think, no, the cryptocurrency is very unpredictable. So volatile yan, no? When it is unpredictable, therefore higher return. So ano yung mga ito na yung pag-aaralan natin, no, aside from support and resistance. Candlestick, no, in order to